Back to the channel. We're about to hop on a train to Kuala Lumpur and then check out the Batu Caves. We paid 159 Malaysian ringgit for 2 tickets, so 48 Canadian dollars. I will say booking these tickets was annoying, but only because our credit card company kept blocking the online transactions. There was also nowhere obvious in town to purchase tickets. I'll leave the website for buying them in the description below. You can purchase train tickets to all over Malaysia. There are some snack options to buy at the train station, but it was quite limited. I'd probably buy some in town before arriving at the train station. They also sold food on the train. To buy the train tickets online, you will have to make an account. It's just to retrieve your tickets. The train station that you depart from is Butterworth in Penang, and we took it to Kuala Lumpur. There is also KL Central, which are both close to each other in the city. There are 6 trains a day, taking approximately 4 hours. I'd recommend booking a few days in advance so you can pick the time you prefer and your seats. Some of you may know this, Malaysia is hot, so there is a small air-conditioned waiting area. And we're off! They had a few sandwich options, a few meat and rice dishes, coffee, tea, and other non-alcoholic beverages. Not sure what we got. I think we got beef and chicken, but there looks like there's fish. Smile every day. We got off at the stop before KL Central as it was closer to the hotel that we booked. We stayed at MOV Hotel, which I'll show you in the following video. So you have to have your tickets again to leave the terminal. And this feels very, very like Italy, Naples. Alrighty, we just got dropped off by the Batu Caves, and naturally we have come for the hottest part of the day. Right on time, right on schedule. We did Angkor Wat. We did.
Where were they yelling at?
I don't know. We did Angkor Wat at around the same time. So we took an Uber from our hotel. Here it was 27 ringgit, so like
8 or 9 Canadian rupees.
8 or 9 bucks. Driver kind of just dropped us off in some parking lot. I think we're in a parking lot again. Okay, so yeah, he totally dropped us off not where we wanted. We're gonna go up and over. I'm already tired. We weren't sure what to expect, so we brought some water because I just don't know about anything anymore. So, okay, I think we're here.
No.
I think we go through this way. I think we're in the exit.
I don't know.
Maybe, maybe not. It's supposed to be free, so that's what I read on the end. These are cute. No water, thank you. Oh, the monkeys. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh my god, monkeys.
This is where you should have gone.
Yeah, this is where. Oh, look at the parrots. Wow. Oh my god, remember when we were in Milan and the girl with all the pigeons had poo all over her?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness!
No idea it was just in the town like this.
The Batu Cave is one of the most popular Hindu shrines outside of India and is dedicated to Murugan. The limestone forming the Batu Caves is said to be around 400 million years old. There's a lot of history regarding this site, so I'll leave more information in the description below if you're interested in learning more. Entrance to the site is free, but donations are welcomed. The walk up can take about 20 minutes. There's lots of great photo opportunities here, but just be careful of the monkeys. They are not scared of you and will snatch anything loose or unattended.
Oh god, the monkey scared me. See, Patrick went to the shade, but the light is good for the shot. Except for these stairs here are really dirty.
If you did forget to bring water with you, there are a couple places at the top to buy some.
We did it. There's more stairs. Jesus, my legs feel like pudding. This is so cool.
It didn't seem enforced, but I would recommend to dress respectfully, covering shoulders and knees as it is a holy site.
Let's keep going. That was a rooster.
This is our second visit to Kuala Lumpur. The first time was in 2018, and for some reason we didn't come here. So we're really happy that we came this visit. It's definitely a beautiful site. I'd make sure to add this to your Kuala Lumpur itinerary.
So we forgot to buy water. The other spot. There you go. Oh, they're so cute. They're sleeping. Or whatever they're doing, they're cute. Look at the little monkey. Oh my gosh, Jesus. The monkeys. Watch out, watch out. He's gonna take your phone out of your hand. I don't know, they'll snatch anything. Little vicious little guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one with our hotel tour, crazy rooftop bar, and a busy street market.